we have seen different type of SQL queries. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, the first step, like, so this is how it starts. Like, starts with some select or whatever query which we have it, select, delete, update, whatever it is, that is a keyword, followed by something, and then ends with a semicolon, like a typical C or a C++ program or a Java program. Okay, let's see some of the common examples. You don't need to worry about it right now because we will see that later. For example, here I'm selecting a database. Okay, the same way here I am creating a table. Create table, and then the table name, whichever you want it. It looks like your structure in C. If you keenly look at it, structure or a class. So class name kind of it. This is the class keyword, and this is the class name, and followed by whatever things inside the class. So your first name is one of the variables, or here it is called fields or columns. Okay, vertical columns in the table, and what is the data type it is, and whether it can store null or not null. So you don't worry about all those stuff. This is how, and finally it ends with the semicolon. The same way, describe what you want to describe. That's my table I want to describe, and I am just ending it with the things. And same as this is the insert table, like you want to put into it, insert into a plain English, it is nothing special about it. Insert into, this is my table name, and what are the values I want to insert. This is a list of values which I want to put in, and finally ending with the semicolon. And if I want to see what I've inserted, select, star means all. I mean, it's a wildcard character, which you know what star means everything. Okay, if you want to have specific columns, you can give the specific columns here. Select what are the columns you want to select, and from is a keyword, and then my friends is my table name, and ends with the semicolon. So this is a general structure of a SQL statement. So we'll run through all the statements one by one in the further videos, and we'll have a look at it.